Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu 24.04.3, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL Workbench. See here we have the latest version 8.0.43. Select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then see here we have the Debian packages for 22.04 and 24.04. Also you can filter here. See here we have two versions, Ubuntu 24.04 and 22.04. Then click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is only 25.3 megabytes. Download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Workbench Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i mysql. Then press the tab to autofill enter Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, if you receive this dependencies error, you have to run the command sudo apt -fix broken install. Hit enter, type and hit enter. Okay. Control A. Now install MySQL Workbench. This time we won't receive any error. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications or show applications. See here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it to open. See, by default it connected locally installed MySQL Server, but if you haven't seen this one, just click on this plus button to connect to MySQL Server. MySQL and provide the connection name. Local name can be anything. Then host name. MySQL is installed on this one. See, this is the loopback IP, or you can give local host or IP address or domain name. 3306 is the port number for MySQL Server. Username root. Some other user, then provide that username. Then password store in keychain, then provide the password of root account, then click on OK. Then click on test connection. Continue anyway. See, successfully made the MySQL connection. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on the connection. See, we have successfully connected. And see here we have this is the administration tab. You want to see the schemas. See here we have these databases or schemas, and click on users and privileges. See here I have these users. Okay, this is the way to install MySQL Workbench and connect to MySQL Server from the Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.